Today I'm taking my inspo from Antoni Porowski and making a decadent and velvety and creamy pasta that is sure to make us all look like true professionals. I cannot wait to show you how easy this is to throw together, so let's go! So let me start off by telling you that this recipe calls for 6 cups of rotisserie chicken and 2 cups of bacon, or in our case, turkey bacon, both of which I made earlier today in the air fryer. I reserved some of the fat from the chicken, which I'm going to use to cook about 3/4 of a cup of diced onion, 1 diced carrot, 1 heaped tablespoon of chopped fresh rosemary, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and a few cracks of pink salt. The fat from the chicken is going to add a ton of flavor here and help our aromatics to cook nicely and smell oh so friggin' pretty. So I'm going to stir this frequently to make sure that everything becomes tender without browning or burning. So when it seems like things are starting to dry up a bit, I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of chicken bone broth to the pan, give everything a stir, cover it up, and then I'm going to let it steam for about 5 minutes. So this is going to ensure that the carrots and the onions are nice and tender and full of flavor without becoming crispy. While my aromatics are enjoying their spa day, I'm boiling water for the pasta because this is all going to happen so quickly, there is no time to waste. Today I'm using this gluten-free egg tagliatelle from Jovial, and it is going to be so delicious. So with the onions and carrots nice and tender, I'm adding 2 minced garlic cloves and letting these guys become friendly for just like a minute at most. To all of this, I'm adding 12 ounces of full-fat coconut milk, lowering the heat ever so slightly, and letting this come together and thicken for about 5 to 8 minutes. You could definitely use heavy cream in place of coconut milk if you don't have issues with dairy like I do. When my pasta finished cooking, I drained it and reserved a few cups of the water to help bring my sauce together. You'll see what I mean. So next up, I'm adding the pasta right to the sauce, giving all of that a good stir, then hitting it with a few cracks of pink salt and black pepper to add a bit more flavor here at the end of this rainbow. When everything is well mixed, I'm adding in my 6 cups of shredded chicken, 2 cups of crispy turkey bacon, and about a cup of the pasta water that I reserved, and I'm going to stir all of this together. Now, this is where I realized the error of my ways. As I'm stirring everything, I keep looking at the ratio of chicken and turkey bacon to pasta and wondering why the amount of meat far outweighs the amount of pasta. And it occurs to me that it's because I'm a dum-dum who didn't read Antoni's recipe correctly, which, by the way, calls for 2 packs of pasta, not 1. So yeah, that happened. Anywho, I ended up adding a bit more pasta water to loosen up the cream sauce and really bring everything together smoothly, and it worked like a beautiful charm. And this is our creamy and velvety and decadent and accidentally high-protein pasta that ended up being so frickin' delicious. Seriously, I just want to make this every day. And oh my gosh, seriously, 50 out of 10. 50 out of 10. Run to your kitchen, do not walk, and put this together. Thank you so much for hanging in the kitchen with me today. I always enjoy your company so much. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel, and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.